Hey fam, if your legs and hips are feeling tight, this 5-minute stretch routine will help loosen them up, improve flexibility, and release tension. Let's dive into these moves that will open up your hips and stretch out those legs. Are you ready? Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with the frog squat to open up the hips and stretch the inner thighs. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and squat down, keeping your heels grounded. Bring your elbows inside your knees, pressing your knees outward with your elbows. As you inhale, lift your hips slightly, and as you exhale, lower back into the deep squat. Continue this dynamic movement for 1 minute, feeling the stretch in your hips and thighs. This is a great way to open up the tight hips and improve mobility. Now stay low in that squat and move into a deep squat with T rotation. With your heels on the ground, place your right hand on the floor and rotate your left arm up toward the sky. Hold for a moment, then return to the squat. Switch sides and repeat with your left hand on the floor and your right arm reaching up. Continue alternating for 1 minute. This stretch opens up your hips and improves mobility in your upper body, giving your legs and back a great warm-up. Let's move to the mat for seated internal hip rotations. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center. Then drop the left knee to the right foot. Continue alternating side to side for 1 minute. This movement helps loosen up tight hips and improves mobility, especially after sitting for long periods. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Now step your right foot out for a kneeling side angle stretch. Place your right forearm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward the sky. Now rotate and swing your right arm. Keep swinging for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch through your right side and hip. This stretch not only opens up the hips, but also lengthens your side body, improving flexibility and mobility. Switch sides now. Step your left foot out and place your left forearm on your thigh and reach overhead, swinging your arm and stretching toward the right. Keep swinging for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your hips and side body to stretch. This move helps improve flexibility and release tension in your hips. Awesome job, fam! In just 5 minutes, you've stretched and opened up your hips and legs, improving flexibility and mobility. This routine is perfect for loosening up tight hips, especially after sitting or before a workout. Save it for when your legs and hips need some attention. Let's keep moving strong and flexible. Let's go!